Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything, where we create, inspire, and grow. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be redoing this entertainment center that I found on the side of the road. It did not have glass, and I also had to reinforce the bottom of it, but I'm picking this Canyon Black in satin. And this is what it looks like. It's like a matte black. I also used this burlap for the doors to replace the gap that was there where the glass was. In here, I'm just placing the burlap on the inside, securing it to the door, and then making sure that there is no folding or anything like that. And then I just remove the excess material. So all I'm doing is going along the edge and putting hot glue, and then making sure that I'm stretching the burlap all the way so that way it's flush and there's no like dips or anything like that. It's all even and straight. So I'm going to continue going all the way down and around, and then I'm going to cut the excess. That way it looks nice. Okay, so it's all glued. It's nice. So now I'm just gonna go and cut everything. Alright, the burlap is on and it looks really nice. Now all I gotta do is put the handles on. I did get some new hardware, so I'm gonna put those on, and then yeah, then it'll be done. This is the new hardware that I bought. I am going to spray it gold metallic. And this is going to look really nice against the black and the burlap. And this is what they look like. I was just testing it out, making sure I liked it. There you go. All finished. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.